Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your risk tolerance with Wealthfront step by step clearly. To improve your risk tolerance with Wealthfront, begin by assessing your current financial situation. Log into your Wealthfront account. Navigate to the dashboard to review your investment portfolio. Take note of your current asset allocation. Understand your investment goals and time horizon. Consider how much risk you are comfortable taking. Wealthfront offers a risk assessment tool. Access this tool to evaluate your risk tolerance. Answer the questions provided honestly for an accurate assessment. Review the recommended risk profile based on your responses. If you feel your risk tolerance can be adjusted, follow the guidance. Next, explore various investment strategies offered by Wealthfront. Consider diversifying your portfolio to include a mix of asset classes. Look into Wealthfront's automated financial planning features. Use these features to visualize potential scenarios based on different risk levels. Make adjustments to your portfolio according to the analysis provided. Continuously monitor your investments and revisit your risk tolerance regularly. Stay informed about market trends and economic changes. This will help you reassess your comfort with risk over time. Engage with Wealthfront's educational resources for better understanding. Finally, set a periodic schedule to review and adjust your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.